Now let's look at how we can switch scheduling of tasks from manual scheduling to automatic scheduling. We've been working with manual scheduling because so that we can, at the starter, we can be able to control our start and finish. So we can have a minimum and error. Now, as we've seen the Gantt chart, how those tasks are linked. Now, before I go ahead, I would like to show you another way of linking tasks. For example, we didn't link under the development, we didn't link the coding and compilation. They are sub-tasks. So what we need to do is we want to link this together. I select the task that is the successor, then I'll initiate the predecessor. I select compilation under the tasks group, in the tasks tab. In the property group, I'll go to information, click on the dialog box that appear. You click on the predecessor tab, then you select empty space tag under tags heading. Then the arrow pointing down the right hand side, click on it. You see the drop down of list of tags that we've entered. So we select coding. Then we click OK. You see the link now. So if you see this link, this guy is linked to this guy. Right? You see it now. So that's how we can actually do that. Now, the next thing to do, we want to switch our manual schedule to automatic schedule. And you actually know that up to now you have worked with manually scheduled tasks in the new work we've done. Manually scheduled tasks let you focus on capturing basic task details such as name and sequence without dealing with the complexity of project travel scheduling engine. As the project plans becomes more detailed, though you'll be ready to switch some of the tasks, if not all, to automatic schedule, or we call auto scheduling. And to change the default for this new task automatic scheduling, we need to go by this. Now, on the task mode, we want to auto schedule some of those tasks that we have. We auto schedule all the tasks under the sign. Here I select here the arrow pointing downward. I click on it, and I click auto schedule. It's auto schedule. Then the sign or the symbol changes. So a bar and an arrow underneath. I go to the index page, I click on auto schedule. I go to contact page. In other way, we can go to the task tab. Under the task group, I just go to auto schedule. So I can auto schedule. Then I'll go to testing. I click on auto schedule. I go to deployment. I go to auto schedule. So in the Gantt chart, you find out that there is a little bit changes there. So that's how to achieve our auto schedule task with ease. And you know that every time I initiate, let's say I'm adding something here, so commission, or let me say final, let's say usage comments. Alright, now, and I want to auto schedule it. I want to make it auto schedule. You see, automatically a date default is added to it, unless we have to change the date. Now, the date is picking now is after the deployment. Deployment is ending on the 10th of 7th month. So here, and how many days is, let's say we have 2 days that we want to have there. 2 days. That means the 10 days at the summary here has increased, or we have 12 days now, right? We have 12 days, 12 days, 12 days now. Now we have 12 days, so we collapse. Now 2 days here. So we auto schedule, then we have the 10th here will be, you see, it's given us the dates because it's scheduling based on the date that is very close to it. So I have to now change it, because if it is auto schedule, if it's 2 days, it will calculate, because it's 29 of 6th June, so it's going to calculate to automatically schedule it for you to 30th. So in case you're on a high speed as a professional, all you need to do to auto schedule most of your tasks, if you have an error, you can control it yourself. So we go back. So on the should be 22nd of June, yeah, 21st. So we're done with that. It's having a kind of error here. Everything should be on 14th. So it should be on the 10th. That's the following day is Saturday. This is non-working day. The next day should be Monday, 13th. Should be July 13th. And it's ending on these days. So that's how. Then the dependency on 10th. So it has done that automatically for us. So you see how it works. So auto scheduling is actually one of the best way to do our work.